How to link Wise with your accounting software. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make your financial reporting easier, well in this video I'll show you how to link your Wise account with your accounting software. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Wise. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link, and once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official website of Wise. Now here, make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once logged in, you can just click on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and click on the option labeled as Integration and Tools. And now here, you just have to tap on Apps and Software. And now here, in this section, you will see available integration tools like Xero, QuickBooks, and others. You can just click on the one you use, and here once you click on that option, you will be redirected to your accounting software login page. So log in and authorize Wise to access your data, and this gives Wise permission to sync your transaction. And after authorization, you can return to Wise and you can now choose which account currencies to sync and how frequently updates happen, like daily, weekly, and manually. And that's it. Now your Wise transaction will show automatically flow into your accounting software, saving you time and reducing error. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.